Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Bansal Wires Industries Limited, we extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Bansal Wires Industries Limited on BSE, a significant milestone for the company. But before we begin, may I request everyone to kindly stand where you are for the national anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. We'll request everyone to please be seated. Once again, a warm welcome, everyone. My name is Khyati Kawa, and I will be your host this morning. Today, we have gathered here on this momentous occasion of the listing ceremony of Bansal Wire Industries Limited on the BSE. Now, Bansal Wire Industries Limited, along with its subsidiaries Bansal Steel and Power Limited, offers over 3,000 SKUs that in three broad segments: high carbon steel wire, mild steel wire, and stainless steel wire, with our company's offerings of approximately 2,000 SKUs and our subsidiaries offerings of 1,500 SKUs. Further, there are approximately 500 SKUs which are common in both our company and subsidiary. High carbon steel wires refer to wires made from high carbon steel with 0.30% to 1% carbon and are known for their exceptional strength, hardness, and durability. They are used in applications where these properties are crucial, such as the manufacturing of springs, cutting tools, and various industrial components that require resilience and resistance to wear and fatigue. Mild steel wire is made out of a low carbon steel with a carbon content ranging from 0.05% to 0.25% and is known for its ductility, malleability, weldability, and versatile nature. They are commonly used in power and transmission, agriculture, poultry, fencing, and construction. Stainless steel wire is made from a corrosion-resistant alloy, which is a combination of iron chromium, nickel, and other elements, and is used in consumer durables, hardware, automotive, agriculture, and other general engineering products. We operate from our 4 established manufacturing facilities in the National Capital Region, India, with 3 manufacturing facilities in Ghaziabad, UP, and 1 manufacturing facility in Bahadurgarh, Haryana. While we have built our network in order to ensure pan-India presence across all regions of India, that is, we are present in 22 states and 6 union territories by way of our dealer distribution network. We have a robust revenue from operations in northern states and western states in India with 65.61%, 67.78%, and 64.80% of revenue from operations generated from Delhi, Haryana, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh in the fiscal year 2022, 23, and 24, respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, to begin with, we would like to welcome our host for today, Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development at BSE, formerly known as Bombay Stock Exchange. Please, can you, sir, please wave to everybody? Thank you for joining us. We'll have you on stage in a short while. We are also joined here today, the leadership team from Bansal Wire Industries Limited, who are stalwarts in their respective fields, who will be telling us more about the company and its achievement. We welcome them all. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Arun Gupta, Chairman. So may you please, a very warm welcome. Mr. Pranav Bansal, Managing Director and CEO. A very warm welcome to you. Mr. Ghanshyam Gujrati, Chief Financial Officer. We would also like to welcome the book running and lead managers. Please welcome Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO at DAM Capital. Mr. Vishal Desai, Executive Director, ECM at DAM Capital. We're also joined by Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Executive Vice President and Group Head Investment Banking at SBI Capital Markets Limited. Thank you for joining us. And we will now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting of the lamp. And for the same, may I please request Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development at BSE, along with Mr. Arun Gupta, Chairman at Bansal Wire Industries Limited, Mr. Surendra Gupta, Mr. Krishan Agarwal, Mr. Ashok Gupta, and Mr. Ghanshyam Gujrati to please join us on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, you may join us with an applause while you are seated where you are for the lighting of the lamp.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय
May I also invite all the BRLMs to please also join.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, gentlemen. Let's give a warm applause to this auspicious beginning. And now to commence the proceedings, may I please invite on stage Mr. Vishal Desai, Executive Director, ECM at DAM Capital, to initiate the proceedings. Let's give him a warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have you all here for the listing of Bansal Wire Industries Limited. On behalf of DAM Capital Advisors, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire Bansal team, especially Ghanshyamji, along with Pranav, along with Arunji, who've taken a stellar effort in terms of bringing this to its final culmination, which is today. Coming to the efforts that they had put in all throughout the roadshows, the issue witnessed a phenomenal response thanks to the tireless efforts put in by each one of these people. The QIB book was overall subscribed by 154 times, HNI 54 times, retail 14 times, with the overall issue being subscribed 63 times, garnering more than 33,000 crores. We at DAM Capital feel extremely privileged to have taken this opportunity to bring yet another marquee company to the capital markets. I'm sure the management team will spare no effort in keeping the faith of the investors by leveraging the new opportunity and strengthening the company even further. A big congratulations once again to Mr. Arun Gupta, Mr. Pranav Bansal, Mr. Ghanshyam Gujarati, and the entire Bansal team and the family out here. Good luck. I'm sure this is only the first milestone in the journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Pranav Bansal, Managing Director and CEO, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. A warm welcome.
Good morning, everyone. It is an honor and a privilege to be standing before you today. Today marks a momentous occasion in our company's history, a milestone that reflects the dedication, hard work that has come about with everyone that has been associated with us from the start of our journey since 1985. For nearly 4 decades, Bansal Wire has been a name synonymous with quality, reliability, and innovation. From our modest beginnings of 102 tons the first month to about 2.5 lakh tons today, this is the journey that we have come through. With exceptional, and we have established ourselves as one of the leaders in the market, known for their exceptional products and customer-centric approach. This evolution has been driven by the relentless pursuit of excellence and our determination to meet and exceed expectations of our customers. Our journey has not been without its challenges. We have navigated through economical fluctuations, technological advancement, and an ever-changing market landscape. Yet through it all, our commitment to quality and integrity has remained steadfast. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, combined with our skilled and dedicated workforce, have enabled us to constantly deliver products and set industry standards. Today, as we celebrate our listing of the stock exchange, we are not just making a financial milestone, but we are also acknowledging the collective efforts and vision that have brought us here. The listing is a testament to our strength of the foundation and the trust of our stakeholders, and a promise for a brighter future. Our success is a shared achievement, and I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to those who have been instrumental in our journey. To our Bansal family, you are the backbone of our company, and you are the reason we are here today. To our partners and suppliers, your collaboration and support has been critical to our growth. To our customers, your trust and loyalty inspires us to continually strive for better. And lastly, to our shareholders, your belief in us and our vision will definitely propel us further. As we now look to the future, we remain committed to our core values of innovation, sustainability, and excellence. We understand the responsibility that comes with this new chapter and are prepared to meet it with the same vigor and determination that we have each opportunities in the past. We will continue to invest in cutting-edge technology, explore new markets, and uphold the highest standard of transparency and corporate governance. This listing is not just a culmination of the past efforts, but also a launchpad for our future aspirations. We see it as an opportunity to broaden our horizon, enhance our capabilities, and create greater value for all our stakeholders. We are excited about the opportunities that lie ahead and confident in our ability to seize it. In closing, I would like to thank each and every one of you again for being a part of this incredible journey. Your support, trust, and encouragement has been the greatest asset. Today, we will now continue to scale new heights, set new benchmark, and make a lasting impact to our industry and beyond. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Bansal. I'd now like to invite on stage Mr. Ghanshyam Gujarati, Chief Financial Officer, to please join us and share a few words on this occasion. Give him a warm welcome.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for being here today as we mark on an incredibly exciting milestone in the journey of our company. As the CFO of Bansal, it is an honor and a privilege to stand before you on this occasion of listing of our company. Today is not just about the financial transaction that will unfold, but about the years of hard work, dedication, and innovation from every single person who has been a part of our team. From our visionary chairman, Sri Arun Gupta, and young and dynamic MD and CEO, Mr. Pranav Bansal, to every employee who has contributed their talent and passions to this IPO. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our shareholders for your confidence in our company. Your investment not only the fuel of our growth, but also signifies your belief in our ability to create sustainable value over the long term. As we look ahead, we recognize that the journey does not end here. In fact, today marks the beginning of our new chapter to expand our market reach and deliver exceptional returns to our shareholders. With this IPO, we are not just raising the capital, we are securing our future. We are positioning ourselves to seize new opportunity, tackle new challenges, and achieve every greatest success. In closing, I want to thank each and every one of you, Chairman Sir, MD Sir, our Compliance Officer, SBI Cap, DAM Capital, and our legal advisor, AZB Trilegal, and every team member of our company, and especially to the team who was involved in this process, to the youngest, the small team is there. They have already supported day and night to this IPO. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now please invite on stage Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Executive Vice President and Group Head Investment Banking at SBI Capital Markets Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a warm welcome.
Good morning, everyone. In fact, when I'm standing here, I recall when we started the process. It was, I think, around 10, 11 months back. And Arunji I've known for last, close to 6, 7 years. And if I talk of this journey, it's been a beautiful journey because when you talk of any of the issues, while there are some challenges which crop up, but I think if I remember my entire career, probably this has been one of the most seamless transactions which we have seen, thanks to the entire Bansal team. And I think in terms of the business they have built, not only that, but also the way they have nurtured this business, and they're very passionate about this business. So my first interaction, as I was recalling 6 years back, and I remember visiting their Ghaziabad factory. And then you can understand month of June, dressed up in a suit, and so hot, how it can be when you spend 1.5 hours there. But finally, when I came out from the factory, I just realized the zeal, the passion that he has for the business. Even yesterday when I was talking to them, for him it was the same thing that, okay, leave aside, fine, the transaction is done, this is one milestone in the journey, but now it's our responsibility to keep delivering as we have always done. And this is something which shows the passion that he has for the business, and that legacy is being carried forward by Pranav. My first interaction was, of course, Pranav's entry was there into the business, but I think the way he has kind of come up the curve and everything, that the way he's handling it, I think hats off to the entire Bansal team. I think they deserve an applause for this. And as rightly said, this is just one milestone in the entire journey. If you look at one more, I think, feather in the cap for Bansal Wires. Now, of course, the responsibility increases, but the way they have delivered so far, I'm sure they'll continue to deliver like that. More importantly, it's always important that you keep your basics fine, and I think that is something which very grounded. Probably today they may realize that, yeah, this is going to be a company which is what, 4,000-5,000 crores, I don't know. Finally, the listing will show. Probably all of us would look at it with a bated breath. But despite that, I think he remains the same person what I saw him 7 years back. And would just request that probably they should continue in the same way. The second is, of course, in the journey, if I'm talking of, if you look at it, today what has happened is the family is going to increase. How it increases is with the new shareholders coming in. I think they become a part of the Bansal family. And I'm sure under Arunji's able leadership and with Pranav being there, I'm sure the company will continue to deliver and give returns to its shareholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And now may I please invite on stage Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development at BSE, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome him.
Distinguished dignitaries and friends from the fraternity, good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you present here at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of Bansal Wire Industries. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Sri Arunji Gupta, Chairman and whole-time Director of the company, Sri Pranavji Bansal, Managing Director and CEO of Bansal Wire, Sri Ghanshyam Gujarati, CFO of the company, Sri Sumit Gupta, CS of Bansal Wire, Sri Deepak Kaushik, EVP and Group Head, Investment Banking, SBI Capital Market, Sri Dharmesh Mehta, CEO, DAM Capital, Sri Vishal Desai, Head, ECM, DAM Capital Advisors. Lot has been said about the Bansal. Of course, Kathy also said, and Pranav also narrated very nicely the story how the company has grown and its commitment to the values and delivery and sustainability. Still, I would share something more. We congratulate Bansal Wire Industries on account of their successful public offer of 745 crore. The overwhelming response received in its subscription is the epitome of its success story, its strong corporate values, as well as impact-driven vision. The IPO received an overall subscription of 59.57 times. The company commenced the trading business in 1938 and diversified into manufacturing in 1985. The company vision is to become India's largest globally respected organization that manufactures and provides customized wire solution. The company Bansal Wire Industries are the largest stainless steel wire manufacturing company and second largest wire manufacturing company by volume in India, with a production of 72,176 metric ton MTPA and 206,466 million tons per annum. And steel wire manufacturing demand is expected to log around 8 to 10 CAGR between fiscal 23 and 28, so growing 8 to 9 metric tons. Something about BSE. So the story of BSE is the story of Indian economy. Yesterday we celebrated our 150th birthday. So this is the first company in our 150th birthday. So we are very grateful to the Bansal Wire Industries and Bansal family that we are the first company which we are doing listing ceremony on our 150th year celebration. So BSE is one of the oldest working public institutions in India, which has created wealth to the tune of US $5.4 trillion, including equity and debt. BSE is world's largest exchange in terms of number of listed companies, which stands around more than 5,200 as of now. Over the past 150 years, the exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to companies in India. It is in this international convention hall we have witnessed the development of Indian capital market over several decades. First, it was a trading ring for the brokers in 90s, which would have seen many movies and OTT series, where broker used to trade with hand gesture. And post digitization, it is now convention hall. The benchmark index of BSE, Sensex, is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, debt instruments, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, interest derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, and borrowing. BSE has 9.03 crore valid and active UCCs which are available for trading, its highest in India. We are confident by listing on the BSE, Bansal Wire Industries Limited will not be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business, adhering to strong governance standards. BSE looks forward to being Bansal Wire Industries Limited preferred fundraising partner continually as it expands its reach and grows in scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best on account of a successful listing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joshi. And now to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. Shri Girish Joshi, who's here with us on stage, will present special mementos to our esteemed dignitaries. May I please invite on stage Mr. Arun Gupta, Chairman, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a warm welcome. Yes, after that, I was going to invite Mr. Pranav Bansal, Managing Director and CEO, Bansal Wire Industries Limited. Please do join. Thank you so much. I'd also like to invite on stage Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, and Mr. Vishal Desai, Executive Director, ECM from DAM Capital, to please join us on the stage. I'd also like to invite on stage Mr. Deepak Kaushik, EVP and Group Head Investment Banking from SBI Capital Markets Limited, to please join us on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Joshi, I'd like you to stay a moment longer, and I'd like to invite Mr. Arun Gupta, Chairman, and Mr. Pranav Bansal, Managing Director and CEO, of course, from Bansal Wire Industries Limited, to present the memento to Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development at BSE. Thank you so much, sir. Sirs, please stay with us a moment longer. We'll present the mementos to some of our very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable to the successful listing of Bansal Wire Industries Limited. I'd like to first invite on stage Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, MD and CEO, and Mr. Vishal Desai, Executive Director, ECM from DAM Capital, to please join us on stage. And of course, the team of DAM Capital, who's also worked on the successful listing. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them. Thank you so much. I'd like to invite Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Executive Vice President and Group Head Investment Banking from SBI Capital Markets Limited, to please join us with the team. Next up, I'd like to welcome Sachin Khattare from Capital Setu to please come around the stage. Thank you so much to the team of SBI Capital Markets Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sachin Khattare from Capital Setu. I request the team from our legal counsel, AZB and partners, to please do come around the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, team of Capital Setu. Thank you so much. We'd also like to thank and welcome our team from Legal Counsel, AZB and Partners. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the team on stage. I'd request our team from Legal Counsel, Tri-Legal, to please join us around the stage. And ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause to AZB and Partners team here. Thank you so much. We have our team from Tri-Legal, our legal counsel. I request our team from International Legal, Dwayne Morris and Selvam LLP, to please join us on stage. We'd also like to call on our representative from Statutory Auditors, Prateek Gupta and Company, to please join us on stage. I'd like to welcome our team from Registrar to the Offer, KFin Technologies Limited, to please join us. Team Adfactors PR, our communications partner, to please join us. And last but not the least, our team from Western Press, printer to the issue, to please join us on stage. Western Press, our printer to the issue. All right. I'd like you to stay a moment longer as we are just about time for the gong ringing ceremony. So may I please invite on stage, along with Mr. Arun Gupta and Mr. Pranav Bansal, Mr. Ghanshyam Gujarati, Chief Financial Officer, Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development BSc, and BRLMs. We'd also like to invite the Bansal team to first give them a memento. And we just have a minute, so let's be quick, as this is a time-sensitive event. Right, we are less than a minute now to go. As they say, it takes a village to build a company. I can't see the timer. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to please step down? It is now time. Requesting everybody to please step off stage. We have 11 seconds. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the countdown. 7, 6, 2. Congratulations, Bansal Wire Industries Limited. It is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. Yes, our heartiest congratulations to Bansal Wire Industries Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. It's truly been a milestone. We are grateful to our host, BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all of you viewers who took time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Of course, it is rather a moment to be captured, but may I please invite Mr. Ghanshyam Gujarati, CFO at Bansal Wire Industries Limited, to please deliver his vote of thanks, and we may continue to take. Ladies, gentlemen, please be careful. And may I please invite Mr. Arun Gupta, Chairman, to please join us to deliver vote of thanks to this August gathering on this occasion. And may I request everyone to kindly be seated. We may continue with pictures after the vote of thanks.
Special thanks to the management, Chairman and MD sir, for our trophy.
मैं आप सबका इस प्रांगण में स्वागत करता हूं और सबसे पहले मैं परमपिता परमात्मा को धन्यवाद और उनका आशीर्वाद मांगता हूं। उसके बाद मैं अपने पिता के चरणों में नमस्कार करता हूं, जिन्होंने हमें ये सिखाया और हम उनके चरणों पे आगे चले और आज ये दिन देखने को मिला। पहले मैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स अफेयर्स का थैंक्स करता हूँ जिनके रेगुलेशन में हम चल रहे हैं और आगे भी चलेंगे। उसके बाद सेबी को, आरओसी को धन्यवाद, जिनकी कमांड में बंसल वायर रहने वाली है, उनका धन्यवाद। फिर बीएससी और एनएससी का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया और हम उनके यहाँ आज आए। और 151वें वर्ष के पहले दिन बंसल वायर की ओपनिंग यहाँ हुई है, तो वो भी एक सिग्निफिकेंट चीज है। फिर एसबीआई कैप, डैम कैपिटल, ट्राई लीगल, एजेडबी पार्टनर्स, जो इस जर्नी में डे 1 से लेके और आज तक जिन्होंने हमको ये जर्नी दिखाई और हम इस मुकाम पर पहुंचे, मैं सभी टीम्स का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। इसके बाद एड फैक्टर्स, कैपिटल सेतु, प्रतीक गुप्ता एंड कंपनी, हमारे स्टीम्ड ऑडिटर्स, एसोसिएट बैंकर्स, जिन बैंकर्स कंसोर्शियम मेंबर्स के जो भी बैंकर्स हैं, मैं उनका धन्यवाद करता हूं। और लास्ट कह लो, पहले कह लो, जो नए पार्टनर, बिजनेस पार्टनर्स आज बने और जिन्होंने हमारी कंपनी में इतना विश्वास रखा और अपना खून पसीने की कमाई हमारी कंपनी में लगाई, मैं उन सब पार्टनर्स का स्वागत करता हूं इस बंसल परिवार में। और मैं अपने क्लाइंट्स, जो मेरे कस्टमर्स हैं आज तक, अपने सप्लायर्स और जो भी बंसल ग्रुप से एसोसिएट रहा एज बिजनेस, मैं उन सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं। बंसल टीम मेंबर जो इस स्टोरी में हमारे साथ रहे, क्योंकि ये स्टोरी आज की नहीं है, ये स्टोरी सन 38 से शुरू हुई, जब पिताजी ने ये व्यापार शुरू किया सदर बाजार दिल्ली से। आज भी वो शॉप चलती है। उसके बाद मैंने उनको ज्वाइन किया 77 में। उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया कैसे व्यापार होता है, ट्रेडिंग सिखाई। फिर सन 85 में बंसल वायर इंडस्ट्री की स्थापना की। और जैसे प्रणव ने बोला, पहले मंथ में 102 टन प्रोडक्शन थी, जो धीरे धीरे बढ़कर 2.5 लाख टन पहुंची है। और आगे हमारा सपना कुछ और है, जो हकीकत में बदलेगा और प्रभु का आशीर्वाद मिलेगा, आप सबका सपोर्ट मिलेगा, वो हकीकत में बदलेगा। उसके बाद जो टीम मेंबर्स इस जर्नी में हमारे साथ रहे, आज किसी वजह से नहीं है, मैं उनका भी धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने भी मार्ग दिखाया और बंसल ग्रुप के में काम किया या बंसल ग्रुप को आगे बढ़ाया। और एट प्रेजेंट जो भी हमारी टीम है, हमारी कमर्शियल टीम, जो कुछ मेंबर्स यहाँ आए हुए हैं, उनका तो है ही है। उसके अलावा फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम या बॉटम टू टॉप जो भी बंसल ग्रुप का मेंबर है, बंसल इंडस्ट्री का मेंबर है, मैं सबका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने इस ग्रोथ जर्नी में हमको आगे बढ़ाया। और उसके बाद मेरी फैमिली, परिवार, जिसके बिना कोई भी आदमी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता, फैमिली की सपोर्ट, फैमिली मेंबर्स की सपोर्ट, मैं सबका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने हमको सपोर्ट किया, हमको आशीर्वाद दिया, हम इस जर्नी में यहां तक पहुंच पाए। मैं सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं। और बस धन्यवाद साहब, बहुत बहुत सबके आने का धन्यवाद। कोई मैं इमोशनली अब कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा। धन्यवाद।
Of course, it is an emotional moment as it is a proud one. So many congratulations once again to the entire team of Bansal Wire Industries Limited. Congratulations on being listed. With that, we thank each one of you for being present on this momentous and historic occasion. We request you to please join us for some refreshments and of course the team for your interviews. Thank you so much everyone. This is Khyati Kao, your host, signing off. It's been a pleasure to be part of this historic moment. Thank you.